Welcome to How to Play Hong Kong Mahjong. To play, you will need a Mahjong tile set and 4 players. Thanks to Morningside Mahjong for providing the tile set used in this video. There are 3 suits within the Mahjong tiles: the bamboos, the characters, and the dots. Each suit has 4 sets numbered 1 to 9. There are 4 of each wind, east, north, west, and south. There are 4 of each dragon, green, red, and white. There are also 8 flower tiles. The tiles are shuffled face down and built into 4 walls. Each wall is 18 tiles long, stacked 2 tiles high. The object of the game is to create a completed hand with your tiles. A completed hand includes 4 sets and a pair. A set can either be a triplet, which is 3 of the same tile, or a sequence, which is 3 tiles in a row of the same suit. Wind tiles and dragon tiles can be used in a triplet or a pair, but not in a sequence. Flower tiles will be explained more later, but know that they are not used in any set or pair. To start the game, the dealer will roll 3 dice. The sum of the dice indicates where the first tiles are drawn from. The sum here is 12. First, the dealer will determine the wall to start on by counting counterclockwise, starting with their own wall. Then the dealer will count from right to left on the wall. The 4 tiles after the count number are taken in by the dealer. The player right of the dealer takes the next 4 tiles. This continues until all players have 12 tiles. Then the dealer will take the top tier tile, skip 1, and take the next top tier tile. The player right takes the next tile in line, same for the next player and the last player. The dealer will end with 14 tiles, the other players will end with 13 tiles. I have flipped up each player's tiles for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your tiles hidden from the other players to start. If any player has a flower tile at the start, it needs to be replaced. South has a flower tile and will place it face up on the table in front of them. When replacing a flower tile is drawn from the end of the wall. Once all flower tiles have been replaced, the dealer will take the first turn. The dealer's first play is discarding one of their tiles. East starts this game by discarding 1 tile. Any player can then draw the tile discarded if it completes a triplet for them or allows them to win the game. No player draws the discarded tile and play continues to the right with South. South is able to pick up the discarded tile if it completes a sequence. Since this tile does not complete a sequence for South, they will draw a tile from the wall. After the draw, South will choose 1 tile to discard. Play moves to West. West can use the discarded tile of South to complete a sequence. West will draw it and lay down the completed sequence on the table for every player to see. West will end their turn with a discard and play moves to North. North will draw a tile from the wall and will discard a tile for their turn. Play moves to East. East will draw a tile from the wall and will discard a tile. North can use the tile discarded to complete a triplet. North announces this and draws the tile. North will lay down the completed triplet on the table for everyone to see. When a player can draw a tile out of turn, some players' turns may be skipped. After North discards a tile, play moves to the right to East for a turn. Players will continue to take turns drawing and discarding tiles. Skipping ahead to the end of a round, West draws a tile from the wall. The drawn tile gives West a winning hand of 4 sequences and a pair to end this round. Game points are awarded based on the value of the winning hand. A winning hand score is determined by the sets, tiles, and action that make up the winning hand. This is known as a hand's fan score. There are a lot of different ways a winning hand can score, and it can be a little overwhelming at first look. Here are some of the basics. A hand with all sets being sequences has a value of 1. A hand with all sets being triplets has a value of 3. If a player picked the winning tile from the wall, it is known as a self-pick and has a value of 1. Let's look at the winning hand of West from the gameplay example. The sets are all sequences for 1 hand point. West drew the winning tile from the wall for a self-pick for another hand point. I will cover the wind and flower connection in more detail in a moment, but West has a flower tile that matches their seat wind for another 1 hand point. This gives West's winning hand a total of 3 hand points, known as 3 fan. Based on the fan, the player is awarded game points. Game points are paid by the other players. If a player discards a tile that is used to complete a winning hand, that player pays the points. If the winning hand is completed by a self-pick, all other players pay the points. West won by self-pick, and every other player will pay West 8 points. Most games require a player's winning hand to have a minimum of 3 fan points to count. If a winning hand is completed by the dealer, that player remains the dealer. If a winning hand is completed by a player other than the dealer will move to the next player on the right. The east seat is always the dealer. Then going counterclockwise to the right, it's south, then west, then north. The round wind always starts with east. The round wind stays as east until all players have had a chance to be the east seat as dealer. When the east seat returns to the first dealer, the round wind changes to south. This continues into the west round and finally the north round. The player with the most game points at the end wins. It is important to know your seat wind and the round wind, as hand points are awarded for sets of wind tiles that match your seat or the round wind. The wind tiles also have matching flower tiles. When scoring, a point is gained by having a flower tile in your seat wind. A player can create a 4 of a kind by drawing or taking a discarded tile that will complete a 4 of a kind. After a 4 of a kind is laid down, the player will draw a tile from the end of the wall. Only the last tile discarded is available to be taken, but it can only be taken if it completes a set. Anyone can take a tile to complete a 3 of a kind, 4 of a kind, or is the winning tile for a player. Only the next person to play can take a tile to complete a sequence. If multiple players want the same tile, the player completing a 3 of a kind takes precedent over the sequence unless it is the winning tile. Once a tile is taken, the player must reveal the completed set. If you enjoyed learning how to play Hong Kong Mahjong and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy to follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.